So it's Tuesday the 15th of April, so I just thought I'd do a short video of my day today. What to do on a rainy day. I've come down to Clyne Gardens in Swansea just to have a look around and see the trees and the flowers and get a bit of fresh air. So take some photos and videos and just have a look. What to do in a rainy day in Swansea, walk through Clyne Gardens. Very, very peaceful. Few people are walking dogs. It is raining, but not so bad. But that's what the rain is all about. Beautiful scenery. Wonderful colours on the trees and bushes. And most importantly, fresh air. I am going to head back to the car now because the rain is getting a bit heavy. Thank you for watching. So this is Clyne Gardens in Swansea. Just coming out now. Back onto the Mumbles Road. So this now will conclude the video. So thank you for watching.